Hello friends, psoriasis is one of the common skin condition which is many people are suffering from. So in this video we're going to discuss about which are the causes of psoriasis and which kind of a treatment which are really helpful for you for the psoriasis. So psoriasis is one of the major skin conditions which is caused by your immune cell dysfunctioning. So because of if our skin is made up of a different layer called dermis and epidermis, and which have a certain cycle to shed off continue, it is forming new skin. And normally in normal person this process is required 30 to 50 days, uh, and in psoriatic patients, due to disturbed immune system, this shed off or this cycle is going so faster that this skin is fading off, skin is peeling within the 2 or 3 days or 4 days. So due to that, there's been a formation of the certain plaques, which is kind of there's been a lot of flakes that has been coming out, and a lot of itching is there, a lot of redness is there. There have been different parts of our bodies gets involved in this process, and which is kind of a certain irritating skin condition we see. And generally this skin condition is aggravated in the winter season, and generally comparatively in summer season the most of patient they are feeling so well. So there has been certain factor which are also responsible for psoriasis. So within that, genetic and environmental factor are considered to be major causes for the psoriasis. There has been also some causes which is also affecting the psoriasis. The number one is psychological stress. If you are suffering from the any from certain kind of a stress, then there have been a lot of chances to get your psoriasis is getting aggravated. So another factor is that alcohol. If you have a lot of alcohol consumption, you are taking a lot of alcohol along with smoking, that there may be greater chances to your psoriasis aggravation. Another factor is that obesity is also one of the major cause that has been also proven that it may be aggravate for your pre-existing psoriatic condition. So we have seen that what are the causes of psoriasis. There has been certain classification of psoriasis according to the distribution and morphology. The number one is plaque psoriasis. So see, plaque psoriasis is considered to be a certain plaques of these thick skin layer in the different parts of a body, which consist of flaky skin continually peeling off, and which is very itching. Is there a lot of irritation are there. Another classification, number second, is gutted psoriasis. So gutted psoriasis is the small eruptions, small patches of eruption like drops of water in the different parts of the body, which is generally seen in the children's, which is also one of the type of psoriasis, which also same symptom are the same, just morphology as it changes. The third important is inverse psoriasis. In the inverse psoriasis, there's been which what we are called, it's kind of certain severe condition, which is also kind of itching and flaking of peeling of skin is also common in this condition. Then erythroid psoriasis is also there. Then pustular psoriasis is also there. There has been pus, but it is not inflammatory pus kind of a pus. It is not infective kind of a pus, but it is just the eruption is there, and there has been formation of certain kind of pustular material, pus forming material over there. So these are the classification of psoriasis. And the symptom of psoriasis also we have already discussed about that. There have been a lot of skin patches over there, which is very thick, and which is very kind of itchy patches are there, which involves trunk, back, also the extremities, even the scalp. Psoriasis is also very common type of psoriasis. Then which also there has been a lot of redness is there. Certainly some patient have aggravation in the winter season, and there are some patients are better in the summer as well. But this is not a typical symptom of psoriasis. In general cases we have often seen this variation. So see, so we have learned about which are the what kind of a psoriasis eruption looks like, which are the uh, causes of psoriasis. Now we're going to discuss about which are the treatment modalities available for psoriasis. See, in modern medicine, there has been it has considered to be there has been no cure for psoriasis, but they generally uses topical steroids, ointments, and some medication which we have to take internally, including steroid medications, retinols, and vitamin D3 D supplements, vitamin D3 supplements, and also you can use phototherapy. But it is a very long term. It's not a kind of a what we say. It's not a permanent solution for psoriasis. But in homeopathically, we are approaching the patient with holistically. So we have considering patient's mental state of mental symptoms, as well as physical morphology of eruptions, and all these factors together we consider for the selection of medicine, and which gives you a permanent relief from the psoriasis. We have to eradicate disease from the patient for forever. So in that particular cases, the holistic sciences, including homeopathy, Ayurveda, naturopathy, which is really helpful for helpful treatment for the psoriasis. So I hope this video is helpful for you. So thank you so much.